Right here, you're taking a live look at Nifong and Forum. This is one Columbia intersection that's been updated to improve traffic flow and safety. Tonight, the city of Columbia is holding an open house to provide input on street policy, and it has not updated the policy since 2004.
KMUH Charlotte Cicero joins us now. So Charlotte, you spoke with Public Works and the city's contractor, and what do they want to accomplish with the open house tonight and the policy for the update?
Yes, Taylor, Evie. So tonight's open house is an opportunity for community members to give feedback and share ideas that are going to make Columbia's streets and roads more accessible. While the project is only in its initial phases right now, Public Works wants Columbia's residents to weigh in before the city adopts the new policy. Whether you walk, bike, drive, or take the bus, Columbia Public Works is updating a 20-year-old policy to make transportation more accessible for everyone.
Some of these practices since then have been updated, and there's way better ways to do things now.
Momentum has really been building in Columbia for a while. Local Motion's been really active and, looking for a new complete streets policy update. And then just with the bipartisan infrastructure bill, there was a lot of money that was allocated for projects like this.
It's a $5 billion federal grant, and Columbia is getting $350,000 of it. But how will Columbia spend the money?
It would include protected places for people to board transit. It could be bulb outs or narrower lanes so that traffic slows down.
One area of town that models this is the intersection of Nifong and Forum.
And once it has been decided that that's our policy, then any street designs or redesigns moving forward will use that policy.
But it's not just busy intersections that are going to see changes.
Comprehensive of every street in Columbia we're going to be looking at, whether you're walking, biking, rolling, using public transit, or driving. So it's a complete street for everybody.
Right now, the contractor and the city are identifying what's currently working well and what needs improvement. They'll present their draft policy in the fall of 2026, when the new policy will be adopted by City Council. Charlotte Cicero, KMUH News, Columbia. The project is scheduled to be completed by the summer of 2026. Columbia Public Works and the contractor that they hired, they encourage residents to come to future events and to talk to city officials about new ways to improve roadways, bike paths, and streets in Columbia. In the studio, I'm Charlotte Cicero, KMUH News.